Ken Miller Vulture to Toni Creates. And guys, I've been sick the last week, so I just was not up to filming, but I did finish the farm journal. Okay, so it's relatively chunky, lots of fun, so let's get on with it. So it's just tied with this ribbon. So that's it. So I don't know what you've seen and what you haven't seen, so I'm just going to go through it. So in here I have my letter from the journal maker, and then 2 tags. This all came from the kit, and I will show you afterwards what's left over from the kit. I added this belly band for this big Marguerite Miller challenge journaling card. So that goes in there. Whoops. So left old moo cow there, and then here's all this is from the kit, guys. I printed out 2 of these, so I have 1 left over. Here's our whack and stack card, and I just stuck him on. Isn't he cute? And then this is also from the kit, this tag, and then I just added this is rub-ons that I got from China. So that goes in there, and then this is one of our button clusters, so I just stuck him on there and just did a little bit of decorating there, because these words here are upside down. And there's our piece of bag. So I've just got a little porky beak, and then here is our fabric flip, and underneath I have the elephant dung paper and a cowl. So that's there. And what I did with this page, I didn't show you, is the excess. Instead of making a pocket, I just folded it over and glued it, and then did this, so it's nice and sturdy, the edge. Here's some more tags from the kit, and these are also from the kit. And the kit, I didn't do a small page, it was actually already done for me, so I just stuck that on as a pocket, goes in there. And here's another whack and stack, just decorated with our piggy, and I just stuck this page I printed 2, I printed out 2, so I just did a bit of collage with that. This is not from the kit, another whack and stack that I just put a piece of fabric and this die cut I got, I think it came with in a paper pad or something from the range. And then I just, all the little ones left over, I just randomly stuck them throughout the journal. So I literally have, I'll show you what I have. Here's the, and I put, this is wire. So I accidentally lost one of his feelers. Then I did find it when I was tidying up. So, but in the meantime, I put on some jewelry wire, and then this is just, so he lives there. Some more animals. Then this is just random. I went through my box and I picked out some random tags and journal cards, and that one's from the kit, this isn't, that one's from the kit. And he doesn't have anything in there. That's not good. That's not good. We need to stick something in there. What do we have? Looking. Sorry, I'm just looking. Here's a, go with the pink there. So there's always something, isn't there? Okay, let's just stick one in. That's better. Okay, and then there's some more journal cards, and we have a bull stuck on there, and this is the card that we harvested. And then I just got a couple of little tags in there, and another wooden animal, farm animal, just blank journaling spots. We have our lovely digital, and then some more, and then another one of these cards, the bigger journaling card, and some more tucked in there. This is a phrase from Pink Monarch Prince Words, I think. And then this whack and stack. So there's 3 of these in the journal. I just put a tab. I actually struggled because that looks so nice that putting a picture behind it does not help it. So I thought, let me get something that kind of matches the frame, but you're not struggling to look at something through the leaves. So I did that. And then here's another there, and then I had one of these with a duck on. Actually, that's another whack and stack. Stack and whack. I don't know, stack and whack, that's it. And then some more tags, another one of these. And then our shaker card. And then this one I just stuck a bit of lace down just for some interest, and then I made this, okay, these tags, and this one is actually, remember our cover page that we cut out? I just folded this one in half and thought, and here's the another piece. It's like, why throw these out? So I just kind of folded them so you can make secret notes there. And then this has also got the little teeny tiny ones and one of the words, so I just stuck it all in there. Why throw it away? Or go and store it. And then here's another one. So this thing said Vienna on it. This was a Marguerite Miller challenge, so I just went and made a ticket from one of the words and just kind of stuck it over, but didn't, because they're different size, I didn't try and match it. I made the other one like a frame for this one, so that's in there. And then here's another one. This has got a tag here, and then this is another journal card, and then this is not from the kit, and then this is journal number 24, guys. Not a very prolific, it's like my average is 1 a month. That's how much I can make, and I give them away faster than what I can make them. And then here's the other side of this. You can just go like that and write in there. And then my goal is to put a original piece of artwork in every journal, so I put him there. We do have a butterfly that's floating around, so there's that one, and this is also just torn off from the page that I printed out twice. And then here's another one, and I let this hang over, so because I find with these pockets they're a teeny tiny bit too shallow and things want to fall out, but just by adding this extra piece of paper it seems to hold things better. And here's I actually had this floating on my desk, this paint sample. I got to do something with it because it's driving me crazy having to tidy it up every day. So I just stuck it on here, and this was floating on my desk, and this was floating on my desk, and I added this, and this was floating on my desk. So I inked them up, and then I took one of the animals. This is the actual, that's how it looks, and I stuck him on there. Isn't that cute? So it's a little flippy thing, and you can journal secrets under there. And then I made a writing board, and then I had this is actually the template. So of course I love this truck, so I had to add a little bit of washi on the bottom because the page just I suppose I could have shortened the writing board, but I didn't. My brain was not functioning properly last week, guys. You wouldn't believe the amount of mistakes I made at work. And then I've just added a few beads. I have some wooden beads, so they're nice and light. I just added them to the ends, and I added it to the closure. And that's it done, guys. I'm so happy that this is done. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, because I don't know that many for. Oh, I do have a, but I don't know if she's into journals. I don't know. We'll see. It'll find its home. They all find their home. Now, this is what I've got left over, guys. I got this one. Now, I did print this over twice, so technically this one doesn't count. And then I have these pages, which I printed twice, so they don't count either. So I've literally put the whole kit plus extra, because this was the cover page, into this journal. I should actually just stick this one in there as well, although I don't really like that. Don't like this. Anyway, I can't decide now. So guys, I hope you like that. I hope you enjoyed watching the little bit that I did do on camera. And another journal complete. Yay! Anyway, I will speak to you soon. Cheerio now.